Oh, buddy. So we got the other side done. Kind of. Wouldn't say complete, but we got the border in. Looking good. And I did trim these things a little bit. The hedge trimmer that I have, it's an Echo. Beast of a hedge trimmer, but I just couldn't get it to keep running consistently. So I wasn't able to even it up completely. So I'll come back over it. And we had one piece of border left. So I'm gonna need to get 3 or 4 more pieces to finish up in the backyard. All in all, we're close. Probably gonna get another bottle bush because one of them died. Noticed. No crows, a little bit. I'm surprised he's made it through the freeze. It's my last update video of the yard for a little bit until I get the rocks pulled back. Go over lighting at some point because I'm going to end up running a circuit down the sidewalk over here. And they've got some flush mount lights that I can pin down into the dirt and shine it over right at the base of the step. I'm gonna add some of those in. God, it's windy. And we'll also got one out here shining up at the mailbox. And the yard is looking much better. Now I need to weed eat and mow. Actually get back to maintenance. Well, all right. Day 7 update.